In the meantime, there was excitement at one rural school in St. Catherine as just under half of the infant students turned out for school following the Prime Minister's announcement of limited resumption of face-to-face classes. Now, amidst complaints about lower academic performance because of connectivity issues and device challenges, the teachers are urging parents to trust the COVID protocols and send their children to school. Here's Krista Campbell.
The first day of physical school for these little ones at Mount Moreland Primary and Junior High School in rural St. Catherine, but the adults were more excited today.
Preparing their records for the past few months and not able to meet them was kind of depressing, but I feel really good this morning seeing them.
And I feel proud that my youth can come to school still and meet his peers.
Mount Moreland is among 373 primary schools given the green light for the resumption of face-to-face classes come November. But for now, basic school students are allowed to attend physically under stringent COVID protocols. 11 of the 24 students enrolled in the infant department turned up. Some parents say the Prime Minister's announcement last night didn't give them enough time to prepare. Meanwhile, with rural schools especially challenged with online classes, teachers and parents say the announcement couldn't have come sooner.
We had more children, but we still did not have all our students online. Connectivity was an issue, and of course, data. And to be honest, some of our students still don't have a device for themselves.
I did some assessment with them informally just to see where they really are, because I did some assessment online last week and it wasn't the result was not favorable.
They are very distracted when they're online. So many things is happening at home whenever they're at school. And you know the online is something that you can't rely on because of GPS. Sometimes lights are out, sometimes the internet gives issues and so forth. When they are face-to-face at school, they are more interact with the teachers.
Taught him how to count, says ABCs, sing, clap. I started to practice him with the social distancing, wearing of masks because he attends church every Sunday. So he's used to wearing the mask and washing his hands often and sanitizing as well.
But some parents are still skeptical about sending out their children.
For the younger children, they need that hands-on experience. They need to be socializing with their peers as much as they can, be together in a close way. They need to be in the same space with their peers to grow and develop socially.
She says while it's sometimes difficult to get younger children to follow the protocols at all times, it's not impossible.
Today was not so bad. They sat in their seats for the most part. There were times when they were going close to each other, but we reminded them to stay apart and they complied.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.